This is your Diamond Insight for tonight, of former President Edgar Lungu speaking out. If former President Edgar Lungu wants to speak out, Zambians should allow him, because that is what the Republican Constitution gives the citizens in Article 20 of the Bill of Rights. Therefore, Mr. Lungu should be allowed to mildly condemn security agencies which are after his family members and friends. In fact, apart from the freedom of expression in Article 20, Mr. Lungu also enjoys the right of association, that is to belong to an organization of choice in the case of a political party which is the Patriotic Front. No one should stop the 60th President of Zambia to exercise his inherent freedoms of speech. For those uninitiated, the Drug Enforcement Commission is investigating the former First Lady Esther Lungu over 15 abandoned flats suspected to be proceeds of crime. But in saying this, we are not saying he cannot be criticized based on his public discourse. He is human, and he too can fail the examination of good judgment. Mr. Lungu has accused President Hichilema of persecuting him, his family, and members of the Patriotic Front based on lies. He also accuses President Hichilema of lying his way into office during campaign ahead of the August 12, 2021 general elections. Reading between the lines, Mr. Lungu wishes he had listened to people who warned him against handing over power. But as stated, Mr. Lungu is a free citizen who can make a comeback and test his political relevance. In fact, he still has 5 years on his political career after the Constitutional Court ruled that he did not serve 2 5-year terms of office. That is the rule of law Zambians follow, and which he should follow as he makes public statements. Mr. Lungu should not be inviting himself to a criminal meal he has not been asked to participate. The justice system in Zambia allows the Police, Drug Enforcement Commission, Anti-Corruption Commission to invite suspects for interview. If there are sufficient grounds to arrest a suspect, this is provided for in the criminal laws of Zambia. Further, the suspects are arraigned before courts where facts and defenses are presented. It is after there is a ruling that a judge makes a ruling which can be a guilty verdict or acquittal. As a person who held the top job, we do not know why Mr. Lungu is trying to prejudge cases of a criminal nature involving his wife, Esther, his children, Tasila, Daliso, and the members of the Patriotic Front. Mr. Lungu should allow the wheels of justice to turn to reach their logical conclusion.